Hey guys, so I'm going to try and film my first pregnancy update. I have been slacking so bad with these pregnancy updates. Blakey's just playing right here. And I think it's just because I'm so busy with a toddler. She's 14 months. And here she is. And I'm just so busy with her that I totally forget to pay attention to this baby and film pregnancy updates, because I actually do love doing these, and I really want to compare this pregnancy with my pregnancy with Blake. So I am 12 weeks pregnant today. We'll just get right into it. 12 weeks pregnant today. Actually, sorry, tomorrow. I turn over every Friday. And today is my dating ultrasound. I did not have one with Blake, long story short, because I was measuring right on track for what I calculated my due date to be. And I didn't want to do the abnormality testing because it wouldn't change the outcome for me, and I just didn't want to have to freak myself out because they're not always they're not like 100% accurate anyways, so I never did that with Blake. But this time at my midwife appointment, she said I was measuring way ahead, so she wants to do a dating ultrasound just to make sure that I am due when I'm supposed to be due. Look at her little booty, she's so cute. And to rule out twins. So if you guys want to find out if I'm having one or two babies, follow my channel because I'm also vlogging today, so you will know. Actually, you should know by now. My vlog should already be up. Anyways, so that's today. So my husband's coming to look after the baby. I already made him lunch, and then I'm gonna go. So far this pregnancy, I've gained about 7 pounds, 7 to 8 pounds, because I don't really know what I was to start with weight-wise, but I have a ballpark idea in my head. Where with Blake, I feel like at this point I was already at like 10 or 12 pounds. So I haven't gained as much. I feel like my belly is a lot bigger this time around than it was with Blake. And I'm also noticing that I have a lot more pressure down there and like along my C-section scar, and I guess that's just the scar tissue stretching. Are you stuck? Are you stuck? I gotta help her. She fell over and can't get up, but she can get up. So tomorrow I'm 12 weeks, which some people say that's the second trimester. Other people say you're not in the second trimester until 13 weeks. I count 12 as the second, so you're stuck? You're not stuck. So I'm really excited about that. What is going on? Anyways, really excited about that. Baby would be the size of a plum and about 2.5 inches. My pregnancy with this baby is the exact same as with Blake. I was sick with Blake from weeks like, I want to say 6 to 9. And this pregnancy, you guys know, if you follow my channel, I was sick as a dog from like 6 to 9.5 weeks. And then as soon as like the 10-week approached, it just stopped. And now I'm not even tired. I have all this energy. I feel great. No issues whatsoever. Oh, you can go night-night. Sorry, there's going to be distractions because my little one. You're stuck? She says stuck. You're not stuck. So yeah, it's pretty much the exact same. My cravings this pregnancy are eggs, which is so funny. All I want are eggs. Like I want an egg English muffin with cheese, or I want like a multi-grain wrap with scrambled eggs and cheese and mayo. Like I just want an egg sandwich, not eggs on their own. It's gotta be like an egg burrito, an egg sandwich, that kind of thing. I'm also actually craving salads quite a bit, which is really good. So I've been having a lot of salad for lunch with like a veggie burger. I don't do those too often because they have soy, and too much soy is not good for pregnancy. So some days I'll throw in just chickpeas, other days I'll have a veggie burger, other days I'll have like turkey cold cuts or ham. I do microwave them first so that I don't get listeria, so it's okay. What else am I craving? Nothing really. In the beginning I had the exact same food aversions I had with Blake. Vegetables, feta cheese. Ugh, I still don't like feta cheese. Chicken, I couldn't touch it. Now I'm okay with chicken. I'm not okay with feta cheese. I'm okay with vegetables. So the food aversion kind of thing is gone. And I don't have any of that strong smell where I'm like, oh, I hate that smell. Like things don't really bother me. at all anymore. So yeah, it's not really crazy cravings. I literally, careful baby, I literally just have the eggs as a craving. In the beginning it was sandwiches, lots of carbs because I felt like crap and I just lived off crackers, sandwiches, and ginger ale. But now it's just like eggs, nothing else. There's nothing that I'm like, I have to have this other than eggs and an egg wrapper sandwich. So that's kind of it for cravings. Symptoms, for the last couple weeks I've had swamp mouth, which is disgusting. I'm not sure if I had that with Blake. I'll have to watch my pregnancy vlogs with her. But it's basically like a constant sour taste in your mouth. Ugh, it's so gross. Like I need to constantly chew gum, or it makes you feel like you have to eat something just to get that taste out of your mouth. It's terrible and I really don't like it. But other than that, and massive boobs, my boobs have just exploded. You probably can't tell, but they're just like, they went from breastfeeding her and being like little tiny sacks of nothing basically to these monstrous full big ass boobs, which I'm actually excited about. I'm pretty happy, but sometimes I'm like, God, I don't know what to do with these things. Like, just stay down. So sometimes I'll just wear like a sports bra to like kind of tame the girls a little bit. But yeah, they exploded. They're just huge. My belly's a lot bigger. Did you take off your pants? She took her pants off. You took off your pants? Are you naked? Oh my God, she's never done that. What a silly girl. So part of me, in terms of whether I think this is a boy or a girl, you guys, I really don't know. As you know, I am terrible with that motherly instinct of like, it's a girl, it's a boy. Because, yeah, you got your pants. Because I thought Blake was a boy, like for sure. I remember my vlog saying, I know it's a boy. Y'all, like, trust me, it's a boy. She's a girl. One thing that makes me think it could be another girl is that this is literally the exact same pregnancy. I feel the same through weeks like 4 on. Yeah, you got your pants, it's okay. But I have like an instinct that it's a boy. Like I keep thinking boy, but I don't know if that's because I already have a girl and I'm just like, oh, this one's gotta be a boy. I don't know. I honestly have no idea. Like, I'm not gonna lie and be like, it's this or this. I have no idea. We do have the 2 names picked out, but I'm not gonna share them with you. I'm sorry. Not yet. You can probably guess from my past, like, names, but once we do the 20-week anatomy scan and find out the gender, I will tell you guys the name. But I love the name. I think it's a boy. I'm gonna say boy. That's my guess. But it's probably another girl, which I would love. I love either or, no matter what. Really quick too, I don't want this to be too long. I am having a repeat C-section. Long story short, my midwife said you're technically supposed to wait 24 months between deliveries to have a successful, healthy VBAC, low chance of uterine rupture, blah, 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 blah. I'm 21 months. Because the babies will be 21 months apart. So she said it's highly recommended I have another C-section. However, the midwives are super chill, super cool. And they're like, if you, women empowerment, you want to go for a VBAC, go for a VBAC. I personally don't want to go for a VBAC because the risk of a uterine rupture is too high for me. It's 1%, which doesn't sound that bad, but that's 1 in 100. So I'm not willing to risk the life of this baby just so I could have a VBAC. That's just my opinion. I think that would be, it's just too high of a risk. If it was like 1 in 100,000, I'd probably go for the VBAC because let's be honest, no one really wants to have a C-section. Although I have to say I'm very, very thankful that I don't have to go through labor again because my labor with this little munchkin was hell on earth. And the recovery wasn't that bad because I was active. It took about 4 weeks till I felt better, but it's still very painful. Like you can't, there were days that I did cry, like it hurt. You can't really get up. You're exhausted. It's hard to get out of bed. It's hard. You can't really go up the stairs. So it is difficult. But you know what? Whatever I have to do to get this baby here as healthfully as possible, which is another C-section, I will do. Like, I don't care. Literally don't care. So we do have 3 bedrooms in this house. We have this bedroom, which is my husband's and mine, Blake's room, And then the second bedroom is a little bit bigger than Blake's. I think it's about the same. It's just more of a square, where Blake's is more of like a long rectangle. So what we have to do before little Bean gets here, yeah, you took your pants off, I see that, is we actually have to put in built-in IKEA closets in this bedroom, because we don't have a closet in here. So all of our clothes are in the massive closet in the future baby's room. So we have to put IKEA built-ins in here, and then leave that closet for the baby. And as soon as we find out the gender, I think we're just gonna drive straight over the border to the United States, to Buffalo, to go to Hobby Lobby and Olive Garden. And if you're watching this, Lauren Ashley Vlogs, you live in Buffalo, around the corner, so I will let you know when we're gonna be there. And we have to, even like just to say hi for like 2 seconds, I have to meet you and we have to say hello in person, because I just love you and we need to like meet, and that would be so fun. So we're gonna go to Hobby Lobby and get all the stuff for the nursery. But you know, I'm getting ahead of myself here, but that's okay. I don't think I'm gonna gain as much this pregnancy as with Blake. I know I'm like all over the place because I'm like running after her. And yeah, but I do notice my face, I mean, I contoured today, but I do notice that my face is a bit fuller. My boobs are huge. Other than that though, I feel fine. I feel great. I have pretty easy pregnancies. I'm not gonna lie, thank God, knock on wood, but I did have a brutal delivery with her. So I guess that's the way of like working it out in the wash. But I do have pretty easy pregnancy, so I feel great. I feel normal. Some days I'm like, am I pregnant? Like I don't even feel pregnant, and then like I'll think to myself, I don't really feel pregnant, and then like the next day I'll feel the stretching of my uterus. I'm like, oh, yep, there it is. But hi baby, I love you. And I'm so excited for Blakey to be a big sister. She's gonna be the best big sister, you guys. She is so loving. She kisses everything. She kisses her stuffed animals, her baby. She kisses her books if there's animals in the book. I took her to a play place and she kissed 2 other babies. She's very sweet and she's very gentle and loving. It is. Look at her. Look at this little munchkin. What are you doing? Where are your pants? You crazy girl. What'd you do with your pants? Oh my goodness. Goodness. Anyways, so I'm gonna end this here. I think I don't know if I covered, I gotta show you the belly. Oh my God. This is so weird that I'm back to doing this. Like I feel like I just had Blake. Like it's so weird. So hold on, I'll show you the belly. And I'm still in my pajama pants, so just ignore that. Ugh. So you're not gonna be able to see very well, but can you see? Look at the, oh my God, my boobs are so big. But this is the belly. Hold on, let me like pull that back for you. So that's the belly. I think it's pretty big for 12 weeks. That's just me. I mean, I think it's pretty like, oh, you can see my belly button. I just think it's pretty like there.